sponsored by Tongate.
Taking a look at the design, you got a rigid, rugged type case that has beautiful four corners, hard PC back, grippy texture on the sides for easy handling, and the satisfaction of in-hand feel is unbelievable. It feels good to hold in your hand. The TPU sides are really rigid. More continued grip strips on the side. Buttons are evenly laid out. They're perfectly easy to access and press, clicky and tactile as you would expect for any case. Same on the other side. It's a very aesthetically pleasing phone case, if I'm perfectly honest with you. Now, when discussing MagSafe strength, the MagSafe ring on the back is actually strong. It's not overly strong, but it's strong enough to the point where you're not going to have any issues when it comes to utilizing the MagSafe strength on this ring stand. It is perfectly fine. When discussing the overall protection of this case, you have a fully covered camera plateau coverage that is deeply recessed, so you don't have to worry about any scratches onto those beautiful lenses. All corners are equipped with a 360-degree shockproof airbag that can withstand 18-foot military-grade drops. Plenty of screen lip there with a pre-applied tempered glass screen protector that comes in the box, courtesy of Tongate. When talking about the camera control button, it is a completely covered camera control button with a smooth, responsive feel. It also effectively prevents dust and scratches onto your frame. It is smooth, responsive, no issues whatsoever when utilizing the camera control button for this case. When discussing the overall functionality of this case, it is actually designed with a premium aviation grade aluminum alloy 360-degree rotating kickstand with an integrated magnetic ring, as you can see here on the back. It effortlessly switches between portrait and landscape modes. So if you're able to enjoy a stable angle at any time for watching content, what can you do? You can't go wrong with this case. It's crazy. The fact that I can lower it and move it around in different orientations is phenomenal. Here are some different color options you'd get if you were to purchase this case. I'll leave affiliate links in the description and also in the comment section below, so please feel free to use those links, and definitely it helps the channel grow, so thank you. Overall, the Tongate 360 spin magnetic stand case strikes a great balance between everyday protection, premium design, and smart functionality. If you're after a case that looks good, feels solid, and adds versatility to your iPhone 17 Pro, this one's definitely worth considering.